Hello everyone. After opening gap up, Nifty held on to gain 1.2% today, driven by a rally in the IT as well as FMCG and banking sectors. So one of the major drivers of the stock market rally was the good Q1 results announced by HDFC Bank, which gained nearly 3% in intraday trade today. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about Nifty predictions for tomorrow, which can help subscribers make a lot of money. So without any further delay, let's get started. So as you can see here guys, here is the Nifty chart, and as per today's calculations, the pivot point for tomorrow's opening is 11,004. So if Nifty opens above this level, I can see strong resistance at 11,080 and 11,135. So as you can see here, 11,135 is roughly the close of this candle, and the next candle has a close of 11,200, which will be very, very critical sort of resistance points. The other resistance that I foresee is roughly near the level of 11,240, which as you can see here is the 78.6% retracement of the Fibonacci move from the February high to the March low. At the lower end, I forecast strong support at 10,760 levels, which as you can see here is a 10-period EMA. Also 10,850, which is a 5-period EMA. I also see support at the levels of 10,553. As you can see, this is a June high. Although it's unlikely that Nifty is going to go that low, but you can never say. We'll have to see what happens when the market opens tomorrow. So that's my Nifty prediction for tomorrow, guys. Hope you liked the video. Please share, subscribe. It'll mean a lot to me. Hope you have a wonderful trading session tomorrow. All the best.